Okay, I've got a control diagram question for you here, and these are easy marks, and it's also always the first question of the exam every year. Let's have a look at it. It says a street lighting system is controlled automatically, that's important, when the outside light drops below a set level, a lamp comes on. So light, we are measuring light. Well, first of all, we know that something measures light, and that something is an LDR. So that's going to be useful for us later on. It says complete the diagram below. This is a typical automatic control diagram. You've got here an error detector. Well, that's great, isn't it? Error detector is very important, so we'll put that down here. Minus, plus, and two signals going in to the error detector. Okay, you've got your set light level, so you can adjust the level of intensity that you want it to turn on and off at. So it's the set level, and this one is the feedback level. So there's obviously going to be something that measures light and then feeds back that information to the error detector. Let's have a look here. So this is the feedback loop. And it says complete that. Well, what do we know that measures light? A light sensor. But we actually know what it's called. It's called an LDR. Told you that would be useful. Now it controls a lamp on and off, and the control unit will only handle very small amounts of current. So we need to step up the amount of current before we go to the load. So before the load, every single question that you'll ever get, the answer to this box, transducer driver, and that allows enough current to drive the output. Okay, that's that 2 marks got. It says state the name of this type of diagram. The answer is actually in the question. It's an automatic control diagram. And then it says describe the function of an error detector. Well, here's the error detector. You've got 2 inputs, feedback level and the set level, and what it does is it measures the difference between the two, or it compares the two and says whether or not it should control the output on or off. So let's see if we can do this. Detects any difference between the set level and the feedback level. That's it, 2 marks. Mark for detecting a difference between the 2 levels, 2 marks. Automatic control, 1 mark. And the control diagram complete, 2 marks. Easy marks every year.